This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning to everybody. Welcome to my online class of SAP This is morning 7 o'clock batch. Today is 15th July year 2021. This is the continuation topic of purchasing module, and today topic is request for quotation. What is RFQ? What is RFQ? Request for quotation. Before going to talk about this document called RFQ, what happened yesterday? This is a different documents called purchase requisitions creating by the various department. Factory people, if they want some material, they are going to write purchase requisitions. Another department, if they want something, they are going to create purchase requisitions. Like that, finance department to R&D department to factory production, different departments are go on creating the purchase requisitions. These are the documents one by one. Purchase department is go on receiving, just like how we are going to get the mails in Gmail. Like that, we are going to accumulate daily. Some documents are going to come and sit in the purchase department. This topic, how to create the PR by these people, how to list out the PRs, what is ME51, 51N, anxiety code, non-anxiety code, differences, like that. This documents, how to create in-depth we are learning. Here consultant what he will do, and end users what they are going to do, we are concerned. We did that one. Now, what is the topic today? This is the time once this type of documents are going to come, what purchase department will do? Next step, the ball is in the court of purchase department. The action that it has to take by the purchase department. So what purchase department will take an action for each purchase requisition document? What it is going to do? Right. They will prepare the document. That means whatever the document is going to come, first they will prepare one invitation. They will prepare one invitation. Is it a wedding invitation? No, it is an invitation. In that one, whatever the factory people entered, that we are going to enter the data again in this document. Factory people want some material, quantity, delivery date to plant. Same information we are going to feed into the another document, or we means here the purchase department people will create, and they are going to put it in an envelope, and they are going to send that one to the vendor. Not one vendor, multiple vendors, they are going to send it. So it is the time first our requirement has to be prepared and send it to the various vendors. We are not asking them in this one to supply the material, but we are asking them, our requirement is like that. We want tires of 123 items on or before so and so date. It has to be delivered at Kottayam. My dear vendor JK, are you interested to supply this material? My dear vendor MRF, are you interested to supply this material? Like that, this invitation, we are going to address it to the various vendors, and we are requesting them not to supply the material. If you are interested, please send me your offer. Please send me in case of any terms and conditions, so rules and regulations, so please write that one also and send it to us. Like that, we are inviting them In case if you are interested, please submit your quotation. Please submit your quotation. So today's topic is how to create such type of invitation and how to send by the purchase department. We are going to talk. That is called request for quotation. That is called request for quotation. So what is request for quotation? It is a document prepared by the purchase department. It is the document which will be released to the outside. That means it will take a printout and from company it will go to the outside. Any document going from the company, can we take a printout on white paper? No. White paper is not going to be recognized as an official document. So it has to be printed on our company's letterhead only. It has to be printed. Just by printing that document and sending to the vendor is valid. Again, it is not correct. It has to be signed by concerned head of the department. So purchase department in charges are going to send our requirement by preparing one document, by taking a printout and signing on that printout letterhead document and sending to the various vendors are going to be done by the purchase department. In this document, we are not asking the vendor to supply the material. We are simply inviting them, in case if you are interested to supply the material, please quote your prices or any other your requirement like your terms and condition, please quote that one. Since I am sending this letter, vendor should not go to the court. No, no, no. You are asking me to supply the material. I am supplying the material. Don't reject and I will go to the court. Can he go like that? No, because in this one we are not asking them to supply the material, we are asking them to submit a offer letter. In case if you are interested, what would be the price that he is ready to offer, his estimated price or whatever we can say, quotation or estimation. We are asking that guy to supply, not the material. So RFQ is not a legal document. One more time, RFQ is a document which is a invitation, simple invitation preparing by the purchase department, take a printout, printing on the company's letterhead, signed by the concerned authority of the purchase department, and send it to the various vendors and requesting them to submit a quotation, not to supply the material, and it is not a legal document. Okay, good. Now how this document has to be prepared, how they are going to send, in two steps that we are going to discuss. First one, for example, already you are aware one PR has been created by plant people. One typist in the plant, he sit and he typed tire. He want a tire. This department want 123 tires on or before so and so date. It is to be delivered at Kottayam. Like that, one purchase requisition created and it is sent to the purchase department. Then what purchase department will do? This is the time purchase department, again same thing, he is going to type what these people want, how much quantity people want, when this is required and where this is required. Same thing, retyping this information in another document in the SAP. First they will prepare invitation. This is the base letter they are going to prepare. Then it will be pasted with one vendor name. Then it will create one document and it will be addressed to the vendor and we are going to send to the vendor. Again, we are going to add another vendor name here, same invitation. It will be creating one more document. Again, one more document. Like that, we are going to send. You know, marriage invitation also prepared in this fashion only. For example, forget about this RFQs and other thing. I want to get married. Then I'm going to prepare one wedding card. In that wedding card, dear students, I am your teacher. I am getting married and my marriage is so and so place, so and so time. And you are all requested to attend my marriage. and please bring all gifts. Like that, I'm going to give venue, lunch details or dinner details. I'm going to enter. Just by preparing one invitation card, will it reach you? No. After this one, we are going to keep it in envelope. On the top of the envelope, I am going to enter. If I enter Nikhil name, it will be sent to the Nikhil. If I'm going to enter the Ramesh name, it will be sent to the Ramesh. If I enter the Akshay R, it will send to the Akshay. Like that, invitation is same, but by pasting an address, this letter will go as a separate copy. Not only that one. For example, HR department want to send to all of you one call letter for an interview. So HR department is going to simply prepare one call letter. In that one, dear students, so and so date, so and so time, so and so place, there is one interview is going on. The venue, timing, and other thing. Please bring your originals, and time must be 10 minutes before. Like that, they are going to send the interview call details. Just by preparing in MS Word, this document, will it reach you? No. Again, it has to address it to, if it is Nikhil, again, it will send one letter. If I address it to the Akshay, it will be sent one letter to the Akshay. Like that, call letter preparation, base message is same, but it will be addressed to the various vendors. One more example. In this another example, for example, today or tomorrow there is no class to all of you, for example. Then how in my telephone, how I am going to write, this is my mobile. Then I will type, dear student, due to the personal work, there is no class tomorrow. Don't come to the class. Like that, I am going to prepare one message. Just by preparing one SMS message or something, will it come to you? No. Unless I type Akshay's name, number, and once I press enter, then this message will go to the Akshay's mobile. Unless I enter the Nikhil's name, it will not go this message. Of course, bulk at a time, all numbers you can enter, but message I don't type again and again. Since this message is already done, do you think that whenever I'm sending to the Ramesh, again I'm going to type the same message? No, single message, one by one we are going to do. So here also the same. Our requirement as an invitation, first we are going to prepare that one. This is called invitation preparation. Then second step is linking to the vendor and sending to the vendors. Understand, sir? Just like a wedding card preparation, that card we are going to keep it envelope. Each card message is same, but address it to the various people. So RFQ preparation is two steps. First, invitation preparation or requirement preparation, sending it to that one. Srinivas, this is for one purchase requisition. What about the second purchase requisition? Same story. That means, in case plant people are sending one more requirement, same story. Again, we are going to retype the tube requirement of quantity and other thing. This will be sent to the various vendor. Purposefully in this photo, I am saying that first requirement we sent to the only 3 vendors. Second requirement we sent to the all vendors. So what we are understanding, purchase department is the highest authority department. Which invitation or which requirement has to send to the which vendor, it is going to decide by the purchase department, not by the factory people. Factory people job is what they want, how much they want, when they want, and where they want. From which vendor they want, they don't know, and they don't mention who is the vendor. So purchase requisition creation time, vendor they don't know, supplier name and other thing they don't know. They will give their requirement. So this is the department called purchase department. It is going to prepare an invitation. This invitation to whom it has to send, decide by the purchase department only. Please do remember that one. So just by having a name JK tires, MRF tires, CA tires, since a tire word is there, are they going to send this requirement to the tire man? No. But purchase department is the department which decides requirement has to send to the which vendor, it is going to be decided. Understand, sir? So RFQ preparation is first invitation preparation, sending to the various vendors. Understand, sir? Based on the PRs only. Okay. Hope that this picture is going to help you to understand much way what is an RFQ. Now let us talk what consultant will do. These are all typing jobs, sir. Purchasing people in the purchase department. Their job is to type by typing this one, sending, attaching, fixing to the vendors, this one, fixing to the vendors, and preparation of this one, sending, taking a printout, putting in the envelopes, sending to the dispatch department, seeing that this has been posted. These are all the purchase department activities, sending, creating the RFQs and send it to the various vendors. Then what consultant will do? Do you think that he is going to sit and type all this one? Are we the typists? Are we the employee of the purchase department? Are we reporting to the purchase in charge? No, 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 no. This is not our job. Then in this chapter, what consultant will do? When the people are creating this type of an RFQ and system has to be identified. Every system has to identify each document. Same old story. Number, number range, document type, assigning of number range, document type, automatic numbering system. We are going to adopt. Already in the last class, external numbering and internal numbering we have chosen. The disadvantage of external number, noting down the numbers so and randomly without any sequence to type. These are all the things we understood. That on the day itself we said, even though SAP providing for every chapter external and internal, SAP recommends for go for internal. We also going to adopt internal numbering assignment automatic method only. One time only before starting that chapter, consultant is going to do the activities of backside setting, and the end users are simply go on using years together that number range. So next 20 years, 30 years plan, people are going to do it next 20 years. In case the end users in the purchase department are go on creating the document, what would be the big number range has to be provided, that people are going to decide and keep it in the blueprint. In case blueprint is not there, already we discussed at the material master cut type, 8 digits is more than sufficient for entering 9 crores of 9 crores 99,099 lakhs of documents you can create just for 8 digit. But 10 digits, if you are going to take it, million and billion and trillion numbers of purchase requisitions, or sorry, RFQs can be created. So what consultant will do? Number range creation document, just like a PR, it is going to be done for this topic also. So he will go to the, or consultant will go and do these 3 steps. First step, just like a PR, we will go to this path and we are going to design the RFQ purpose, one range of numbers, choosing that as internal without checking the external checkbox. Then will that be sufficient? No. We will go to the other place where the document types are available. Srinivas, what is meant by document type? Just like a PR. PR is creating in the SAP, PR creating via internet, to PR creating for service material, PR creating via SRM server. Like that, all are PRs only, but method of creation is different. That's why it is called document type. The way the document is going to be created is called document type. In SAP PR chapter, there are variety type of document types we have seen. One of the existing SAP standard document type NB we copied. Same fashion, when we are talking about this chapter, what is this chapter? RFQ. And RFQ also document types are two. Why there are two types of documents are there? All are for RFQ only? Yes. But in case if you are inviting this invitation from the foreign countries, normally you are requested to choose AB. AB means global procurement. Global means on the globe, any country, we can ask a country that guys of the other country procurement purpose. So global procurement bid means offer only, request for quotation only. So big bid, we are going to invite these guys. So GP bid is a AB. You can select in case if you are inviting this to the vendors. You know, we did not create foreign vendors. We are presuming when we are talking about vendor MasterCard, the vendors are only local vendors, domestic vendors. Within India only, we want to procure the material for car. So we don't choose the first one. Second one is the standard RFQ. That means within your, for example, my project is at Uganda, and AN we are going to choose Uganda local suppliers they are going to do. For Uganda, India is a foreign country, like that. Depending on the place here, but the system says RFQ, you are requested to choose standard one. Same old story. How ROH we copied standard material type in the last class, how we copied the standard PR as our PR. Same fashion here also, we are going to, for Nissan project purpose, Nissan RFQ we are going to create by copying the existing SAP standard document type AN. After that, we are going to assign this number range to that one. Then we will hand over this information to the end user typist in the purchase department. That guy job is to prepare the RFQ, attach the address and everything that he is going to do it. Understand, sir? This is the RFQ method and consultant job backside. Then how to create RFQs, the story, T code, these are all going to be done by that consultant. Sorry, that end user in the purchase department. So let us do here the RFQs settings from here. Okay, let us go to the background of the SAP. As a consultant backside, these three steps which we are going to do is to first jump into the system. Do you have any questions? You can stop me at this moment. Nikhil, come. Yes, right. Let us start this one. Jump into the system. Log into the SAP. They provide the validity period also. So go to the backend SPRO. Now go to the IMG. Please, sir, Akshay ji, ask me a question.
सर अभी जो PRRFQ के लिए अलग अलग नंबर रेंज है तो सब
Yes.
कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग कंसाइनमेंट
Hmm.
सर्विसेज उसको भी अलग अलग नंबर रेंज है क्या?
Yes, sir.
अभी
Yes,
इधर
sir.
तो
Yes.
डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप में तो वैसे उसका पता नहीं कैसे करते हैं पर नंबर रेंज का.
No, no, no. See, first time and one time only we are going to create. After that, you need not bother about the number ranges. See, system, it is going to take it now. So you need not bother. The number range we are going to fix it. It will do. I did not get your question, sir. What you want to say?
नहीं सर सी अभी जो स्टैंडर्ड है नंबर रेंज मतलब जब हम पीओ निकालते हैं स्टैंडर्ड का तब सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग का भी अलग अलग नंबर रेंज है तो उसको हम नंबर रेंज कैसे देते हैं?
No, no, you are confusing, sir. Subcontract is a procurement method. PRO, RFQs are the document types. Subcontract में we are going to create PO. That
हाँ यस
PO is going to have a number range. PO number ranges will be there. Subcontract PO is a bit different from the ordinary PO. There is item category is going to change it. So you can easily recognize that one. Or you can select the document type for subcontract also, and you can set separate number range for that one, PO itself. There are so many POs are going to be there, my dear. Blanket PO,
मतलब
standard PO.
सर हम एनबी एनबी में जो सर
Hmm.
अभी जो हम परचेस ऑर्डर का नंबर रेंज डिफाइन करते हैं एनबी से,
Okay.
सेम हम एनबी से सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग भी कर सकते हैं क्या?
कर सकते हैं ना, इसका अलग है ना, इसका आइटम कैटेगरी क्या है, एल सब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बोले तो,
एल,
पाइपलाइन बोले तो अलग है. And the item
यस,
category under change कर सकते हैं ना, ये you can ask the SAP list out only the purchase orders of subcontract by using the item category. You can filter it out, or you want to separate number range, NB copied as NB standard NB, you copy as ST standard PO, subcontract PO, pipeline PO, blanket PO, and consignment PO, like that. You can copy and give some number ranges for each one. And whenever end user is start creating the subcontract PO, they have to select the document so that अलग अलग number range मिल सकता है. ये आपका
ओके सर,
इंडस्ट्री में आप क्या चाहिए, if you are going to fix that one.
हाँ,
In case in end user want like that, no Srinivas, by looking that number itself, I want the separate number for subcontract. You can set up NB by copying one more time, NB copy for subcontract purpose, another number range you can give it, no problem.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Right. You'll get it. We are in the still RFQ, my friend. Okay, right. So this is a backend. Now, being a consultant, what our people are going to do it. Let us start talking about this one. Consultant. First, you will go to the purchasing module. One folder is there, topic wise RFQ. Same story, number ranges. This is called path. Click this button. I have given in my notes also. This is the path. Let us go and try to create one range of numbers here. Click pencil mark interval button. System says this is a server, practicing server. So here already your seniors are grabbed so many numbers. So I will ask the SAP, show me the free intervals. Then system says these are the some 2-4 series or something it is there. Let us take this series. Just enter. Ours is Nizam. This is for RFQ, NQ or something. 2 letters only possible. Select 2 letters code. You can say ABCD 1122 like that. Any number, 2-digit number, 2 alphabets you can enter and ask the SAP this group number with this number ranges, please insert in this table. So once I click this button, automatically this line will be inserted here. Since it is a number, so then alphabets it will come. It will insert this line in somewhere in NQ. Press enter. What happened? Already NQ is there. Okay, somebody is set. Okay, we'll say N1. Let us say N1. Press insert. It is inserted. How it is inserted? Go down, go down, go down. A, B, C, D, it is B has come. Then go down. D has come. Then go down. E has come. Then completely G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. See, it is N. Here, I don't want to choose this entire number range because when you are practicing, you don't require this much number range. In real time, people are going to decide in the blueprint. So practice time, please choose same number you paste it here and choose 99 only. 100 RFQs you don't practice it also. But anyway, choose 100 numbers. Like that, we are going to create one range of numbers in this fashion. Click save the document. You are already aware whenever we are saving any IMG setting, normally system will display CR window. Customizing request window will come. But you are already observing when we are talking about material MasterCard number range time, when we are talking about purchase requisition number range time, when you are talking about vendor MasterCard number range time, whenever we are trying to save number range topic time, the system says customizing request window will not come. You have to manually pull that one. It is the using that word only. Number range intervals are not included in automatic recording of the customizing changes. So transport of all these changes made within this number range interval must be maintained by triggering it manually. The meaning is whenever you are saving the whenever you are clicking a saving button during the customizing or number range creation time, it will not prompt this CR window. You have to manually pull it. So for that purpose, in the first screen, initial screen, there is a button called interval transport or range transport button is there. Click CR window will come and save it this step in that window. That is the meaning of this message. Your data will be saved. My data is what to NIE, this from number, to number. These are all the things already saved inside the data. See in the bottom, it says changes were saved. It is inserted your new group number. Then proceed. Then here ranges transport. Then system says ranges transport. Click yes. Then system says ranges transport. It says with this number, with this text, would you like to go for this one? No, no, no. It is not our project. Click here, own request. Already we are aware this is a Nissan, set to Nissan. So with this text and with this one, in that folder, the step is going to be saved. This is the way for RFQ, request for quotation, number ranges are going to be created. Just by going someplace and creating a number range, will that be sufficient? No. We have to go to the another area that is called document type, just like a PR only. Almost all topics replicates, sir. Replicate means it look same. Mirroring type will be there. You will feel bore also. Number range creation, you will feel bore. But there is no other option. We have to do it. So go to the back button and let us do the second step. That is called define document type. Just like a PR. Here also already defined document types created by, I mean, provided by the SAP and copied by us also. It is Bajaj RFQ, Benji RFQ, Cisco RFQ. Is it SAP is provided? No. SAP provides only standard document types called AB and AN, and one more thing also it is there. Generally, three document types only it will provide. Now you can understand these are all the documents created by your seniors. That's why 78 are there. Actually, 2 or 3 document types are going to be there in original SAP. This is not original. This is a practice SAP. Both are same. Extra data is going to be there in the practicing server. Now our aim is what? Select the standard AN, which is the SAP's standard RFQ. We don't want to use the standard one because we want to experiment for our project sake. So SAP says don't touch the original, copy and copied version only you are requested to use it for your project. Just like ROH, just like our NB in the PR, here also we will do the same. Select AN, click copy as button. Now system says Srinivas, AN with what name you want to copy. Of course, I can say our project is Nissan, Nissan AN, NAN. Here I am going to say text also, easy to remember purpose, Nissan RFQ. If somebody already creates Nissan AN, anyway it will cry. Otherwise, it will allow me to create the AN as NAN. Press enter. System says, see in the bottom, already some fellow has created your senior guy NAN Nissan AN. Okay, if Nissan AN is already there, what we have to do? N, 4 letters is possible, NRFQ. NRFQ means Nissan RFQ. Then enter. Naturally, such type of name will not be there. So AN we copied as NRFQ. Any name you can 4-digit copy, we are going to copy 4-digit name. I here TAN, NAN like that. I entered 4-digit here, 4 are permitted. AN copied as NRFQ. Now we are going to use NRFQ, which is going to be replica of AN. Click copy all, don't click middle button. If you click middle button, this line only will copy. This line only will copy AN line only as copied as NRFQ. But if you click this button, its internal dependencies also copied. That means not only this one, its internal folders, subfolders, linkages, so everything will be done. So don't click this one, you will be in trouble in the next topic onwards. So click copy all. So anything when you are copying, its internal dependent entries are also should be copied. Internal linkages to tables to its relations also to be copied. So please click by clicking all button only. Now system will copy all that one. But when you are copying, sometimes surprisingly, sometimes surprising, sometimes surprisingly some errors may come. Let it be, error may come, but what we have to do, if the error is going to come, press escape such that except that entry everything is going to be copied. So are you going to be panic when copying time any error is going to come? Nothing to worry. When we are copying, suddenly system says there is an error, then what we have to do? Press escape, accept that error, everything will be copied. So now RFQ, NRF, say AN, NRFQ, one at the same. NRFQ is copied version of AN. Where is AN? AN here. AN, okay, here somewhere between NRFQ, both are replicas. But this we are going to use it copied version, and here instead of number range internal, number range external. Number range external, I don't want to choose it. That means from today onwards, number range is not going to be allowed for you to enter. I don't want also. Then internal also 60 number range group number it is there. No. Just now in previous step we created with N1 or something. Ni or N1 we created. Where is N? Previous step we did GHIJKLMN. Yeah, N1 or something we created. 240249. This is the series. Okay, now N1. So when from today onwards, whenever we are using NRFQ to create the RFQ document, whenever we are using to create the NRFQ document, system is ready to assign this number. Then what is this 10? Today we are going to talk about. In the last class, RFQ creation time, European format of serial number 10, 20, 30, it is coming. Here also, because of this 10 only. What is this item interval? This is the meaning called item interval. Item means serial number. So in the PR time, item means a serial number. It starts with a 10 because here it is a 10 in PR. NB document type copied one. Here also says your RFQs are also start with the 10. So item interval is a serial number. 10 is the starting number by default. 10 and it is also called increment number also. Interval number also. 10 plus 10 plus 10 like that increment of 10 it will be there. That means it is the starting number, increment number also 10. So 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 20, 30, like that with it, starting with the 10, increment of 10, serial numbers automatically generates. That is called European format. No, Srinivas, I want Indian format. So being in a consultant, we are going to redesign that one. What is that we are going to do? Remove this 10, add 1 only. If I enter 1, what happen? So I am removing this 10, I am entering 1. That means today onwards, whenever we are trying to do the NRFQ document type using, and it choose this number ranges, internally serial number will start 1, then 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Starting number 1, no, increment is 1, it is going to there. For example, fun sake, if I put 2, what happens, sir? If you put 2, starting number 2 and increment of 2 will be there. That means 2, 4, 6, like that. Even numbers are going to be there. Nobody is going to put like that. But in case if you want, you can test it like that. Either 1 or 10, depending on the country usage of numbering, we are going to use it. So being an Indian, for my RFQs, I want to set serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 inside the items. Then you can able to do by doing this one. So being a MM consultant, how to set the background setting by saving everything, we have learned today. Got it, sir? This is going to be. Tomorrow I am going to show you, once this is being done, once it is being hand over to the end user is going to start creating the document with this T code. Then how it is going to be done, why SAP prefers manual, and in this one, which one SAP is going to prepare. This we are going to talk what is manual and other thing in the coming chapter. How PR is going to be converted into RFQ and how we are going to send RFQs tomorrow's class. We are going to try to see. Understand, sir? That's all for today. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy the rest of the day. In case if you have any questions, please ask me. Otherwise, we will call it a day. Tomorrow we are going to meet and we'll continue. Chapandi Ramesh, what is your doubt?
Yes, sir. అదే వాళ్ళు చెప్తున్నారు కదా సార్ నిన్న.
Right, that's why. So Ramesh is having a doubt. First, let me complete my screens. Close the screens. So this is the saving. I think, did I save this one? Yeah, data already saved. First, let me finish this one. Ramesh, would you like to share your screen? Are you working in laptop or you are watching through mobile?
సార్ ల్యాప్టాప్ సార్.
Right. I'm going to ask you, I will give you the presentation option to you so that your desktop can be seen by everybody. So let me minimize the screen. This is my desktop you are watching, everybody. So now I am transferring the desktop watching to the Ramesh. Now your button, my desktop will be disappeared and there is a button called screen will come to you. And if you click it, it is clickable. Once you click, your desktop will be appear to us. Just like a mic button, camera button, it is going to be there, screen button. Some kid photo,
Yes, sir.
we are able to see that one. Come on, show me what is your
My
problem. Log into the, okay, very good. God bless her.
Yes, sir.
So yours is SAP, very good. You want to assign, one second, you are at enterprise structure assignment, you want to assign purchase department to the company code. Click it,
కంపెనీ
execute it.
ఇక్కడ నేను చేసిన కంపెనీ రావట్లేదు సార్.
కంపెనీ ఎలా వస్తుంది తమ్ముడు? పొజిషన్ కొడితే ఏమడుగుతుంది అది? ఒక్క నిమిషం, అక్కడ పొజిషన్ కొడితే ఏమడుగుతుంది? కొట్టు నీ పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, నీ పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కొట్టు. వాట్ ఇది పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్? మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసిన పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ పేరేంటి? అదా? ఎంటర్ నొక్కండి. ఎఫ్ఎంపిఓ ఇస్ యువర్ పర్చేజ్ అంటే కొట్టండి, వచ్చిందిగా.
కొట్టాను సార్, కానీ ఇక్కడ అది ఫోర్డ్ సార్, అది నాది ఎఫ్ఎంసి సార్.
ఎఫ్ఎంసి కొట్టు తమ్మి, పొజిషన్ ఎఫ్ఎంసి కొట్టు. నీ పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ పేరేంటి? చూద్దాం నాన్న, చూద్దాం ఎక్కడ పోయిందో ఏదో చూద్దాం. కొంచెం పైకి వెళ్ళు, కర్సర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నీ పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ పేరు కరెక్ట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నావా? పద, వెనక్కి పద, క్లిక్ బ్యాక్, డెఫినేషన్ లోకి వెళ్ళు, అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపి, అక్కడ పర్చేజ్ ఎంఎం, క్రియేట్ పర్చేజ్, మెయింటైన్ పర్చేజ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, క్లిక్ దట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ బటన్. నో స్టోర్ రూమ్ కాదు, పొజిషన్ ఇక్కడ చూపించు. ఏది క్రియేట్ చేశానన్నావు? క్రియేట్ చేసి ఇందులో ఉండాలి కదా తమ్మి,
ఆ,
క్రియేట్ చేయి. ఎఫ్ఎంసిజి ఏంటిది, ఎఫ్ఎంపిఓనా కొట్టు, ఎఫ్ఎంపిఓ కొట్టు. ఓకేనా నీకు పిఓ అది ఓకేనా, అలా కొట్టొచ్చా,
ఓకే
కొట్టు,
సార్.
టైప్
ఓకే
చేయి.
సార్.
ఫోర్డ్ మోటార్ పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఏదో రాయండి, టెక్స్ట్ రాయండి, మీది ఫోర్డ్ అని పెట్టండి. మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ పేరు పెడితే రేపు సెర్చింగ్ ఈజీ. ఎఫ్ఎం పెట్టకూడదు, ఎఫ్ఎంసి అనేది మీ కంపెనీ పేరా?
అవును సార్.
బట్టి అంటే సెర్చ్ వర్డ్ అదేనా, ఎఫ్ఎంసి అయినా లేక ఫోర్డా?
ఎఫ్ఎంసీ సార్. ఎఫ్ఎంసీ సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఎఫ్ఎంసి పర్చేజ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ రాయ్, పియుఆర్సిహెచ్ ఓఆర్జి, అంత పెద్ద అక్కలు, పర్చేజ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ రాదు. ఎంటర్, సేవ్.
సార్
అయిపోయింది, వెనక్కి బా. స్టోర్స్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేసావా, ఫ్యాక్టరీస్ స్టోర్లు క్రియేట్ చేసావా?
చేయండి సార్ అది.
ఇది పర్చేజ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు తమ్ముడు, చేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది. క్లోజ్, మళ్ళీ అసైన్మెంట్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. క్లోజ్ ది డెఫినేషన్ ఫోల్డర్, డెఫినేషన్ ఫోల్డర్ని క్లోజ్ చేయండి, ఫోల్డర్ని. అసైన్మెంట్లోకి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ అసైన్ పర్చేజింగ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ టు ది ప్లాన్. అది కాదు, ప్లాంట్ కాదు కదా నాన్న, అది క్లిక్ పొజిషన్, కొట్టు ఎఫ్ఎంపిఓ.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు మీ కంపెనీ
వచ్చింది సార్.
కూడా మీ కంపెనీ కూడా కొట్టండి. సెర్చ్ కొట్టు ఎఫ్ఎంసి, అదే కదా, సెలెక్ట్,
వచ్చింది
ఎంటర్
సార్.
నొక్కు. ఇప్పుడు ఎంటర్ నొక్కాలి, ఎంటర్ నొక్కితే కరెక్ట్గా సెట్ అవుతుంది, ఆ తర్వాత సేవ్ చేయాలి. వచ్చిందా ఇంకా?
ఓకే.
ఇంకా డౌట్?
అంతే సార్, దీనికోసం ఆగిపోయాను. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్ చూసింది.
మీరు ఒకసారి ఏం చేయాలంటే, మీరు ఒకసారి వీడియోని క్లియర్ గా చూడాలి, పాజ్ పెట్టుకొని అసలు ఏం చేసాం, మొత్తం డెఫినేషన్ లోనే అన్ని కరెక్ట్ గా చేశారు లేదో ఒకసారి చేయండి, చూడండి. ఓకే
సార్, చేసింది.
రైట్ రమేష్, ఇంకా
చూడండి సార్ ఒకసారి, నేను చేసినంత కరెక్ట్ అయినా సార్?
చూపించి, ఇంకా ఏం చేయలేదు కదా. అసైన్మెంట్ లోని స్టార్ట్ చేసావు, కంపెనీ కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా, పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, ఇప్పుడు పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వచ్చినట్టుంది. స్టోరేజ్ లొకేషన్, కాపీ, కంపెనీ కోడ్ వచ్చినాయి. అసైన్మెంట్లు జరగలేదుగా, చేయాలి ఇంకా చేయాలి. అసైన్మెంట్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ అంత పూర్తిగా జరగలేదు, చేయండి, మొత్తం చేయండి. EC01 లో కనబడుతుంది.
కంపెనీ కోడ్ అయిపోయింది కదా సార్, కంపెనీ టు కంపెనీ కోడ్
అది అయిపోయింది. పర్చేజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కదా నువ్వు అడిగింది. ఇప్పుడు పైన చూసావు కదా, పైన అసైన్మెంట్ ఉంది చూడు, పైన ఫస్ట్ లైన్ అదేగా, ఇప్పుడు చేసింది ఫస్ట్ లైన్ అదేగా.
ఇప్పుడు చేసింది సార్, అదే సార్.
వస్తుంది, సేవ్ చేసావు కదా అందులోనే.
సేవ్ చేసాను సార్. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నిఖిల్ హ్యాస్ ఆస్క్డ్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్, మీ దాంట్లోనే వెళ్ళండి చెప్తాను.
బ్యాక్ సార్,
బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళండి. నిఖిల్, యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ నో, యూ సెడ్ హోల్డ్ అండ్ పార్క్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి లొకేటెడ్. క్లిక్ బ్యాక్. మీరు హోల్డ్ చేశారా నిఖిల్? డిడ్ యూ హోల్డ్ అండ్ పార్క్ ద డాక్యుమెంట్? ఇక్కడ చూడండి. మరి నో అయితే నేను మీకు ఎలా చూపించగలను? ఓకే, ME2L కొట్టండి, కంప్లీట్గా ఒక సెషన్ కొత్తగా ఓపెన్ చేయండి. ఈజీ యాక్సెస్, ఓపెన్ అండ్ న్యూ ఈజీ యాక్సెస్ స్క్రీన్. టైప్ ఇన్ ది కమాండ్ బాక్స్ ME5A మీన్స్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ PRs. ఎంటర్. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్ అనే ఒక వర్డ్ ఉంది. స్కోప్ లిస్ట్ పైన ఇక్కడ పైన అంటే అర్థం అక్కడ కాదు, లిస్ట్ లో స్కోప్, ఇక్కడ ఫీల్డ్స్ కనబడుతున్నాయా, ప్లాంట్. నేను ఆ ప్లాంట్ పైకి వెళ్ళండి, స్కోప్ లిస్ట్ పైన డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్ ఉందా?
డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్ ఉంది సార్.
అక్కడ నొక్కండి బాబు నిఖిల్. ఇక్కడ మీరు హెచ్ పెడితే హోల్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ లిస్ట్ అవుద్ది, పి పెడితే పర్చేజ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ లిస్ట్ పడుతుంది, MT పెడితే సేవ్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ PRs విల్ కమ్. 3 కావాలంటే 3 కావాలంటే క్లోజ్ చేయండి, అది క్లోజ్ ఇట్. నౌ గో టు ది డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్ దగ్గరే ఫ్రమ్ టు తర్వాత లాస్ట్ ఒక బటన్ ఉంది చూడండి, యారో బటన్, అది నొక్కండి.
Yes, sir.
క్లిక్ దట్ బటన్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఆల్, ఫస్ట్ కీప్ ఇట్ ఎంటీ, ఆ తర్వాత కిందకి వెళ్ళండి. కింద అంటే అక్కడ కాదు స్వామి, నెక్స్ట్
Ah,
అలా కాదు, మళ్ళీ పైకి వెళ్ళిపో, కంప్లీట్ కింద అక్కడ నొక్కు, పైకి వెళ్ళి అన్నాయి నా మాట వినాలి నువ్వు. ఫస్ట్ ఎంటీ, అక్కడ హెచ్ కొట్టు, ఎంటీ కొట్టు, కింద నాన్న అవి కాదు, ఆ బటన్లు కాదు, నా మాట విను. ఎస్ అని కనబడుతుందా,
sir.
ఎస్ అని పైన ఎస్
Ah,
అందా,
yes, sir.
దాని కిందకి వెళ్ళి, ఆ ఫీల్డ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి కిందకి వెళ్ళు. అది ఎంటీగా
Okay,
ఉంచు,
sir.
మళ్ళీ దాని కిందకి వెళ్ళు, అదే కిందకి వెళ్ళు. నవ్వు క్లిక్
H, sir.
డ్రాప్ డౌన్ సింబల్ పెట్టు, అక్కడ హెచ్ వస్తుంది. డ్రాప్ డౌన్ సింబల్ కొట్టు, సెలెక్ట్ హెచ్. If you set H, it will show them. Now again, కింద down, P means parked document. Nikhil, okay, select P. దీని అర్థం ఏంటి, యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ పిఆర్స్, దట్ మీన్స్ సేవ్డ్ పిఆర్స్, హోల్డ్ పిఆర్స్, పార్క్డ్ పిఆర్స్. ప్రెస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ బటన్ ఇన్ ది స్క్రీన్ లో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ బటన్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ దాని పక్కది లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, కరెక్ట్ అక్కడే లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, లెఫ్ట్ నాన్న. దీని అర్థం ఏంటంటే ఇట్ షోస్ హెచ్, బట్ ఇట్ విల్ షో హోల్డ్, పార్క్ అండ్ సేవ్డ్ పిఆర్స్ విల్ బి షోన్. ఇప్పుడు అన్నీ వస్తాయి, అర్థమైందా నిఖిల్? ఫస్ట్
Yes, sir.
పెట్టు హోల్డ్ పిఆర్, ఒక క్రియేట్ ఏ పిఆర్ అండ్ క్లిక్ హోల్డ్, క్రియేట్ ఏ పిఆర్, క్లిక్ పార్క్, క్రియేట్ ఏ పిఆర్, క్లిక్ సేవ్. Then this 3 will come once you do the documents incomplete check mark. అక్కడ చెక్ చేస్తే తెలుసు, అన్నీ వస్తాయి.
Okay, sir.
Got it, sir? That is it. ఇంకా anybody is having any questions? Okay then, thank you to all. So ఇప్పుడు నేను I am taking back the screen back.
Okay, sir.
ఒక second. So now this is my desktop. I am quitting. Tomorrow we are going to talk about the rest of the topic. Signing off. Bye to all.